Hi, welcome to my vlog and join me again for another cooking video. This time we're going to cook Ngoh Hiang, or what they call Kikiam in the Philippines. Here are the ingredients for the Ngoh Hiang or Kikiam. We are going to need 350 grams of pork and 250 grams of shrimp, both grinded, and some chopped water chestnuts, about 150 grams, about 3 pieces of mushrooms, also chopped. Chopped shallots, it's up to you how much you want. 3 tablespoons of flour and 30 grams of spring onion, also chopped. Also add 1 large egg or 2 small eggs. And then buy a pack of bean skin. For this, you'll need 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of salt. And 1 tablespoon of 5 spice and 1 tablespoon of white pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. To begin, you'll need a big mixing bowl and a big spatula or chopsticks. Add the meat first, the minced pork and the minced shrimp. Combine them together. Then next, add the mushrooms. These are all just mixing the ingredients. After the mushroom, the water chestnuts and the shallots. Then the spring onions. Okay, you mix them all together. Ngoh Hiang in Hokkien called Goyang means 5 spices. This is almost similar to a dish in the Philippines called Kikiam. So after mixing evenly, create a well in the center and crack an egg. A small egg is not enough, so like this, we may need to add 1 more egg. You can now add the salt and the sugar, followed by the 5 spice powder, the white pepper powder. Oh wait, I need to add 1 more egg. But for you, of course, you should put the egg together. Now let's put about 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and then 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, follow with the flour, and lastly the 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. After this, we need to mix everything together evenly. This is how it should look like after mixing. Set it aside. Then let's start cutting our bean skin. Cut the bean skin into similar sizes according to the size that you like. You need to wipe it with a clean cloth before using. Place a meat mixture on top of the bean skin and fold it, and then roll. Now the size, thickness, the length, and also the way you fold it is up to you. There's no right or wrong in wrapping this meat roll, as long as it's not too thick and the meat will be cooked. Should be properly sealed so the meat will not spill out. This is actually my second time making the Ngoh Hiang. The first try I did was all long and skinny ones, but now I tried big ones and also small ones like this. I sealed it by pressing the edges, and these are smaller ones. Then I fried it, deep fried actually, because there should be enough oil to cover the whole Ngoh Hiang. You may also cut it in bite sizes before frying. Just remember to drain the oil. Or cut it after frying like this. That's what I did. Or not cut it at all. Just eat it like this. Now for the dipping sauce, it's up to you. There are many kinds of dipping sauce recipes that you can try or buy. It's readily available in the market. Click like if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next vlog.